our resource speaker, the good attorney, does not know our rules, may we remind him of our rules that before he can speak or while the chairman is speaking, he should not be speaking.
I'd like to apologize.
Are we waiving the rules of the House insofar as this hearing is concerned? Kami, tatahimik na kami rito eh. Daldal ka ng daldal dyan without the permission of the speaker.
Please,
I'd like to
yes.
apologize for that, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Akop, for reminding everyone here.
Go to Attorney Soplico. Pwede ba ikaw sumagot nito?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Are you aware of Section 4 of Republic Act 11422?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And what is the title of that?
The
Section
title is Responsibility to the Public.
No,
Your Honor.
responsibility to the public. Whose responsibility is it talking about?
Well, it talks about the grantees' responsibility, Your Honor.
Yes. And there is an enumeration under Section 4 of the responsibilities of the grantee, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, may I know, if I heard it right, SMNI does not have a separate personality
From
from the owner of the or the grantee.
Your Honor, the grantee is Suarasug.
Yan na nga.
The,
That's precisely my question.
Suarasug.
SMNI does not have a separate personality, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Why? Because it's not a corporation, as stated by Attorney Mark a while ago. Pero palagi niyong ginagamit yung term na SMNI. Ang sabi rin kanina, mahirap i-pronounce yung pangalan ng corporation. Yung nasagot kanina eh. I have been listening intently a while ago. Now, in the enumeration of the responsibility to the public of the grantee, which is the
Suarasug.
Swarsum. Yes.
Your Honor.
Meron po kayong responsibility over and above the things being done in your station. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And therefore, nagulat ako kanina nung sinabi ni Attorney na just because of a disclaimer, mawawalan na ng responsibility yung grantee. When in fact, the law enumerates its responsibility to the public. Would you agree?
Your Honor, we explained earlier.
I'm not asking for an explanation. I'm asking for an answer, yes or no. Would you agree?
Well, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor. There are enumerations here in Section 4, which pertains to the grantee's responsibility, Your Honor.
Yes. And would you agree with me also that if we follow these responsibilities enumerated by law, you have also a certain kind of degree. Kasi narinig ko sa ito, Attorney, Rolex, na merong degree of independence yung inyong mga anchor. Now, if they have a degree of independence, the network has also a degree of control over them. Would that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, for any misdemeanor or any violation of law or any violation of the provision of your franchise, you will suffer the consequences.
Well,
Why? Because
to a certain degree,
you
yes,
are
Your Honor.
responsible.
Yes, Your Honor, to a certain degree. But let me point out, Your Honor.
I'm not asking for your explanation, Attorney Rolex. I'm just asking for a yes or no.
Let me qualify my answer, Your Honor.
I'll give you that privilege, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Your
the
Honor, these are anchors. They exercise, as said earlier, a certain degree of independence from the grantee of the franchise, Suarasog. We cannot tell them what to say. We cannot tell them how to ask a question, when to ask the question, or even who to invite to their programs, Your Honor. Beforehand, they were told that they have to follow certain policies. And in fact, in their contract of service, Your Honor, there is stipulated here, refrain from performing any act or conduct that may tend to tarnish the good reputation of SSMC. That's Suarasog, and put it in a bad light, or that may be prejudicial to SSMC's interest.
Mr. Chair, with your
So-
indulgence, Attorney Rolex, hindi naman po nila sinunod yung iyong admonition eh. Now, if they did not follow your admonition, sino po ang responsable? Kasi yun ang gusto kong malaman eh. Kaninong responsibilidad?
Your Honor, we have started an internal investigation on this.
I'm not asking whether you have started an internal investigation or not. Nawawala ako sa thread of questioning ko pag ginaganon mo ako, Rolex eh.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
We're in the same league.
I know, Your Honor.
Yeah. So, gusto kong malaman na inaamin nyo kanina, may responsibilidad kayo. Di ba? Sabi mo, meron kayong sinabi sa kanila, but they did not follow it.
Well, Your Honor, mahirap kasi sabihan ang anchor kung anong ang kanyang itanong na question, kung kailan niya itanong, kung paano niya itanong. We cannot do that. In the same manner, kung may guest sila, hindi naman namin magsabihan kung sino ang kanilang iimbitahin. Kung ano ang itatanong nila doon sa guest nila. Mahirap eh.
I know it's hard, but that's your responsibility. It's embodied under Section 4 of your franchise law. Otherwise, we will move for the revocation of your franchise if you cannot follow it.
Your Honor, there are maybe degrees of our violation. Maybe I would admit that we may have.
I'm just following your logic, Rolex. Sige.
Well, Your Honor, as I said, we may touch on press freedom here. And I don't want to touch on that.
Pagtalo sa general principles. Pares naman tayo abogado eh.
I'm Your Honor.
Oo. Huwag na tayo magtalo doon. We know for a fact that press freedom is not absolute.
Yes, but
Would you
Your Honor,
agree with me?
Your Honor, but to
The
tell,
only thing absolute is the freedom to believe. You can kneel in front of a post and worship it. That's your right. It's absolute.
but with due respect, Your Honor, to tell an anchor how to ask a question, when to ask a question, how to phrase a question, that is, to my mind, Your Honor, a violation of press freedom. The
That's-
anchor enjoys a certain degree, Your Honor.
You should not do that if you think it is a violation of press freedom. But that is your responsibility as a franchisee holder.
That's
that
why,
they should not violate the law.
that's why, Your Honor, we called your attention and we have started an internal investigation.
I do not want to debate already with my underclass in the Philippine Military Academy.
I'm sorry, Your
So,
Honor.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, proceed.
thank you.
Are you done, Honorable Akop?
Thank you, Your Honor.
May bago ko dumating. Kanina ho kasi. May katanungan lang, no? Dun sa on the ownership. Alam nyo ba na dito sa mga dokumentong ibang sinabit sa Kongreso na ang owner ay, kasi ho, kato yan eh. Kanina tinanong kung sino ang executive pastor nyo. You gave a name. Pero meron doon kayong mga press release dito sa inyong website that nakalagay, the executive pastor of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. Andito po yun. So the question lang, and this was just forwarded to me now. Can it be, he's also the executive pastor, but of course, everybody's addressed as pastor. Nobody's really addressed as executive pastor. Is that correct? Rolex or, di ba? Or the president himself.
Can I,
Diba? Pwede
can
kong
I say, Your Honor?
pastor ang tawag, pero siya pong executive pastor.
Can I,
Dahil nag-hearing kami sa Committee on Transportation ng 9 o'clock.